Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you my Hostinger hosting experience. And after watching this video, you will see or you will know if Hostinger is easy to use, how fast it is to load, unique features that I personally like. We will also see backup options and who is it best for. Without any further ado, let's start with how easy to use Hostinger. So let's log into my Hostinger account. This is the welcoming page of Hostinger account. Most of the time I go straight to the websites page where I can see the available websites on my Hostinger account. Next to WordPress website, you will see this WordPress icon, and next to websites built using Hostinger website builder, you will see this square, almost square icon. Before checking how easy it is to install WordPress on Hostinger, let's give this WordPress website dashboard a visit. Now we are on one of my WordPress website dashboard. From here, you will see shortcuts to your domain, hosting, free email, backups, file manager, databases, and so on. And from this left side menu, you can see information about WordPress. For example, you can copy or you can duplicate your WordPress website easily. You can also check features like you can customize auto updates. You can also delete installed themes and deactivate installed plugins, for example. And from the hosting plan, you can see plan details like your hosting plan details like the disk space, server location, FTP details, and so on. And from resources usage, you can see how free space you have and also how free eNodes. eNodes means how many files, and one eNode equal a file. You can also renew your hosting from here. You can upgrade it. And from performance, you can test your website loading speed, and you can also deactivate or disable the CDN or enable it. From analytics, you can see information about your website traffic. Below security, you can install the SSL free certificate. And below domains, you can create a new subdomain and also set up redirections. From website, you can install WordPress and other CMS or content management systems easily. You can migrate your website to Hostinger. Just click on migrate website and give them your login details and they will migrate it for you. You can also, and below files, you can manage your files only for your website or all of the files available on your hosting plan. From this backups page, you can manage your backups. We will go back to this in a minute. From FTP accounts, you can create new ones or change your FTP password if you want it. From databases, you can create a new MySQL database and also enter the PHP myadmin of each database that you own. Now that we've seen how the control panel of Hostinger is easy, let's go back to the home page of our account, go back to websites and see how easy it is to install WordPress. Just click on add website. From this list, select WordPress. Here, select your WordPress language. Also fill in your email address and password. After that, click on next. Here you can create your WordPress website using AI or pre-built websites and themes, or create a blank site. I will go with pre-built websites. Hostinger gives you a very long list of WordPress pre-built websites and themes that you can choose from. And for this video, I will go with this restaurant WordPress theme. So after that, click on continue. Here select the plugins that you want to have with your WordPress website. First I will deselect all and check the ones I want to install. Google Sitekit is useful in order to easily connect your website with Google Search Console or Google Analytics. Now click on Next. Here fill in your domain name. In my case, I will install this WordPress website on a subdomain. Don't worry, it's the same thing as installing it on a domain name. Restaurant.benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. Now click on Install WordPress and wait a moment. And after just a few minutes, they automatically logged me to my new WordPress website, and I can customize my home page. But before that, or instead of that, I will go with Finish Setup. And this is my WordPress dashboard. Let's give my new website a visit. This is this is how to install WordPress on Hostinger easily. Now let's check how fast my WordPress website will load on Hostinger. So copy this website link, go to website loading speed test, and for this speed test I will use 3 different tools. This is the first one, Analyze. The second one, Start Test. And the third one, GT Metrics Test now. I think the GT Metrics free plan does not allow you to do multiple tests in the same day, so I will return to Pingdom. So for this page that weighs almost 2 megabytes, it was loaded below a second, or 0.6 second, around half a second. So this is really good. With page speed insights for mobile, I got a performance of 88, and for desktop the performance was 98, which is good. And from my experience of every day using not every day, but most of the time I log to my websites hosted on Hostinger. They are really fast. Hostinger is the fastest shared web hosting that is affordable. Now let's jump to the second point, which is unique features that I like about Hostinger. For that I need to log to Hostinger. This is my account. Go to websites. And now next to my new website, I will click on dashboard to go straight to the dashboard of this website. The first unique feature that I like about Hostinger is the ability to change my server location without waiting for customer support. I can do it myself. It's simple and straightforward. Just go to hosting plan details, and below server details, click on this little pen and select your new server location. This server location change is useful when you switch your target audience. Let's say when I got Hostinger, I was targeting US traffic, and after time I've switched to French, for example. Here, instead of keeping my website away from my website visitors, in order to further optimize your website loading speed, it is better to select a further server location to your website traffic. Click on Next, read those information carefully, and hit Start. It's that simple. And the second unique feature that I like about Hostinger is the ability to boost resources for free for 24 hours. Improving or boosting your resources improve your website performance by boosting resource, and this is useful to handle traffic spikes. Let's say you get paid traffic from, for example, Google Ads or Facebook Ads, and you get a lot of traffic in a short period. Instead of upgrading your hosting plan, just boost your resources for free. It is also useful to import a large amount of data faster. Let's say, for example, you are trying to upload another website to your hostinger. Activate or enable this boost, and you can import large amount in a shorter time. And it's also a better way to try a higher hosting plan without commitment or paying. I've tried multiple shared hosting providers like Bluehost, Namecheap, or DreamHost, and this boost feature is unique to Hostinger. Now let's see how backups work on Hostinger. It's simple, just go to Files, click on Backups. Let's say you've just completed customizing your new website. You can create a backup manually, and in order to have something that you can restore to in the case you broke your website. And also I have automatic backups that create or that takes copies of my websites for me daily or weekly depending on your selected web hosting plan. And to download a website backup, just go to View Backups, click on Files, select the date from this list. Since this is a new website, I only have a single copy or backup copy, and here I can download the backup file to my computer or restore my website to this exact backup. Who is it best for? Hostinger is my number one recommendation for content creators, for people who work online, businesses like restaurants, appointment or doctors, or any business that you own and you want to have a presence online. Hostinger is a fast shared hosting option that is also affordable. And just to let you know, if you want to give Hostinger a visit, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger, link in the description. Using this link will support me create more content like this at no extra cost to you. And of course, this is my discount code to get 5% off. My discount code is deal now. With this discount code, you can get 5% off for new customers. My link is in the description. Deal now is without a space. If you use this link, you will support me at no extra cost to you. Instead, you will get 5% off if you use this coupon code. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.